Welcome back to another weekly analysis video and welcome back to my channel. So starting off with the DXY, as predicted, I expect DXY to continue going higher. Start of the week, I want to see a bit of a retracement and then I want this level to go, and on the weekly time frame I am kind of expecting this imbalance to kind of fill. So the first target is this level over here, and second target would be right at the top over here, filling the imbalance. Aussie dollar, we've got a buy side liquidity sweep over there. We've got this huge trend line liquidity over here. I don't see anything but shorts on Aussie dollar, in all honesty. However, what I do want to see is I want to see price come higher, maybe take out this liquidity over here, and then I want to see shorts. GBP USD, short on this as well. So from the weekly imbalance, we've got a rejection, a lovely evening star on the weekly time frame, and we've also got, as I've been talking about for a while, we've got this trend line liquidity over there, and we've also got this imbalance. It makes so much sense because I expect DXY to fill the imbalance to the highs, and then that correlates very well with GBP USD coming down, filling this imbalance over here to the lows. So for me, on the 4-hour time frame, I am going to be looking for any sort of retracement into premium prices to short this pair. Okay. Next pair that I'm going to be watching is Aussie CAD on the 4-hour time frame. I'm seeing two options over here. So the first one that I am starting to see is this is the one that I prefer, simply because we've had a liquidity sweep over here, a sell side over here, buy side could be up there. This as an order block, we've swept liquidity to the left. Okay, we've got a liquidity over here. I'm expecting price to come all the way up and then give it as a short from this level to go short. However, another option that I am seeing is I'm seeing this as a liquidity sweep. One second, seeing this as a liquidity sweep, and I'm seeing this as an order block. Okay. There is a possibility that price starts rejecting from this level, but I'm honestly not going to be interested unless I see something like this. So if price comes down first, start of the week, and then we come up using this as liquidity, I would then look to short from there. Otherwise, my preferred order block and my preferred POI is this level over here. Okay, it's very clear on the weekly time frame as well, actually. We've had a sell side liquidity, sorry, buy side liquidity up there. Okay, sell side over here. Now, what I am starting to think is price has gone up and we've failed to put in a new high. So we failed to put in a new high, which to me means that we could see a low. So that's what I'm expecting on this pair, in all honesty. On the weekly time frame, we had an order block over here which we failed to hold. We had a break of structure over here. Although these are wicks, I'm honestly seeing shorts on this pair, but obviously I trade with confirmations anyway, so I need to see a confirmation short before I go short on this. Okay. Next pair I'm watching is CAD JPY. This is so much more clearer on the monthly time frame in terms of structure. So we can see on the monthly time frame, price tapped into this order block, sorry, this imbalance. We swept liquidity, and since then we've just been trying to, continue higher. And on the weekly time frame as well, we had, let me show you, actually it's clear on the daily time frame. We've got this order block over here, we've swept liquidity over here, and I'm just looking for confirmation now on the 4-hour to go long on this pair. I'm really liking the longs on this. And next pair I'm watching on the daily time frame is Euro CAD. I spoke about this last week and even the week before, I think. We've had a liquidity sweep, a huge push to the downside, an impulsive move to the downside. We've had a break of structure break here, and also over here. And I'm expecting price to go up into this imbalance, taking out this liquidity, and then I want to see some confirmation out of this level to go short. Euro JPY, just like CAD JPY, on the 4-hour time frame, I am literally just waiting for a retracement either into this level, or price could come all the way down into this order block, taking out this liquidity to go longs. Again, sorry, another JPY pair that I'm watching is GJ. So if you look at the weekly time frames and the monthly time frames on JPY pairs, honestly, they just look long to me. So price came all the way down. We failed to put in a new low, and since then we've just been trending bullish. A daily time frame, we've tapped into this order block, which is so much more cleaner on the weekly time frame. So we've had this order block over here, the last bearish candle before the bullish push up, and an imbalance, and price has now come into this level, and we're rejecting from this level. So on the 4-hour time frame, I am just waiting for price to maybe come into this imbalance, and I'm going to wait for some confirmation out of this level to go long. Silver, again, I've been talking about this for a while, and it looks like it's going to be playing out. Expecting silver to come down into this imbalance on the weekly time frame. Once we tap into this imbalance, I want to see confirmation to go long. And same with, sorry, not this pair. Same with gold. I am expecting, so on the weekly time frame, what I'm starting to think is when a price rejected off this imbalance, there wasn't really a liquidity sweep at all. So I'm starting to think, could this be the liquidity sweep for this? Sorry, could this be the liquidity sweep for gold to go down and take it out? A daily time frame, it is kind of looking bearish to me, but we've got an imbalance over here, which I'm really not expecting price to hold, because if I'm just looking at this level here, it just seems like we've taken out sell side liquidity over there. Sorry, buy side over there, and sell side is all the way down here. So once price comes into this area, I want to see confirmation out of this to take gold longs. So we've got some great opportunities for the last week of the year. Yes, I'm only going to be trading next week, and then that's about it for the year. And going to be starting to trade again on the 5th of January. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just Instagram me, and I will see you next week with another video. Until then, bye.